Okay, this is a video that's going to show you how to use an online program, Ideone.com, to check your code for the assignment 2.7. The first thing is make sure that you copy the assignment 2.7 from Canvas into Google Docs. And so after you do that, you're going to go to number 1, and number 1 is has 22 divided by 7. You're supposed to calculate that as if you're Java. So in other words, if Java were doing this 22 divided by 7, what would Java get? And then you type what you think that Java is going to get in the first set of brackets. Then for the second set of brackets, you find out what Java actually gets by checking your code out. Well, if you don't have JGrasp, this is what you can do. So first of all, you're going to go to Ideone.com, and it's right up here. And you're going to see a screen here that has a window where you can test your code. The key thing here, just kind of forget about everything else. I mean, you see import statements, which you understand. You see a class header, and then you see a main method. So right here, where it says your code goes here, you're going to replace that with a print statement. Okay, and so for number 1, it's going to be empty right now, but now for number 1, you're going to test your guess for 22 divided by 7. So you're going to type 22 divided by 7, and then you go down here, and there's going to be a green button, Ideone it, and so you're going to click on that. And that, notice that means to run the program. So it runs it, and down here it should say success, and then out here is going to be the output. So you can see it says out. And so it gets 3. Now what you're going to do is you're going to type 3 into the second bracket. Now this is where it gets tricky. And before I go on here, just remember in the directions, what you're going to do is you're going to see, did you guess correctly what Java was going to get? And if you didn't, you need to go back to your notes and figure out what happened so that your next guess can be more accurate. And so now let's say you go to this number 2 and you guess what you think Java is going to get, and then you're going to type, then you got to type it up here, but you can't type it right now because you have to click on edit. So click on edit, and so now it gives you a screen that you can change it. So let's say you're going to do, I'm just going to pick a random one. So let's say 35 divided by 4. And then you're going to go down and Ideone it again. That runs the program. And you're going to see compilation and running and success. And then here's the output. In this case, it's 8. This would be the number you would write in a second bracket if this was the problem you were doing. Now, from here on out, you should just be able to change this to another problem. Let's say 16 divided by 5, and click on the Ideone it, and it's going to compile, and you're going to get success, and it's going to put the most recent at the top. So just keep on going until you get done with the assignment, and that should work.